Hey guys, welcome back to SocialNet. In today's video, I'll show you how you can register for online banking account on Royal Bank of Scotland. Then on the search field, search for rbs.co.uk. Then you'll be directed to the welcome page of Royal Bank of Scotland. Now to register your account, go to the login option on the top right corner of your screen and tap on it. Once you land onto an interface like this, scroll down and tap on to sign up here. Now in order to set up your online banking, you'll have to select what kind of customer you are, a personal customer, a business customer, a credit card or a mortgage only customer. If you choose a personal customer, then you'll have to fill up your personal details in here. Enter your first name, your middle name, last name, then set your date of birth and enter your home postcode on the box below. Similarly, if you choose a business customer, then you'll have to fill up some similar boxes. Then once you have filled up the information, you can go and tap on next. On the next page, you'll need to memorize your customer number and choose your security details. The Bank of Scotland will never ask for your full security number or password again, and you should never give them to anyone else either. And now that you have finished registering for digital banking, you can register for your mobile application also. Now the next time you want to log into your Royal Bank of Scotland, then you can log in with your security number and the user ID you have just created. So this will be it for today guys. Thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to hit the like button if the video was helpful. Subscribe to the channel and stay updated for more videos like this. Bye bye.